Shake it, shake it. 1, 2. Shake, shake. 1, 2. Yeah, hello guys. We are back again on another episode of Charlie What's the Happy. On today's episode of Charlie What the Happy, we are going to Sudan. Right, we move across the African countries, Ghana, Niger, Traore, Sudan. And in Sudan, we are going to the Ghardi River, the Ghardi River, where a truck loaded with cement capsized in that river. And you ask, how? Why was the truck especially, especially made for the river, like to swim in the river, under the river, in the river, on the river? Is it a specialized boat truck in Africa that was invented? Was a truck made with wings so that it will fly over the river? Ladies and gentlemen, look at how they were transporting it.
Hello guys, welcome to Charlie What Did Happen. My name is Owongo, your host. Please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to help us grow and keep enjoying our content. I'm out. Peace, peace, peace.
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
Inti Oshe Agewi pa. Mimi Sani then. I'm gonna say what? I've been here, Juma. Unamne bre. Unamne. Oh. I've been here, Juma. Unamne bro. Like, how? I'm sure they've done this before, but this time around it didn't work out. But Charlie, I don't know if you were crossing it, like laterally or but why did they offload it on the ferry and go and come back again like twice, 2 times, go and come later? Maybe the journey is long, where you are giving them the benefit of the doubt. But Charlie, what we do? Before what we do, the African continent, what our ancestors do, this thing they happen to us. How? As the thing cast, easy the way put this way in the river. The driver in the car is entirely even quick. He says the danger now. It's come fly in the water. This thing you die where you go there and Osura Himema. Maybe you say, how my son, how did you come here? You see, I drowned. Why did you drown? I was transporting a truck on a ferry loaded with cement. At the end of the day, you know, we want to fault. We like hard bill too much. We normally know they like smart way. I sure this thing may be smart to some people, but Charlie, this thing, yawa. Comment to us. You think what do you know of us, right? You think they could have found alternative ways to handle this? Comment your thoughts. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like the video, well, I'm out. Peace.